Is your home's foundation showing signs of damage? Don't wait until it's too late. Hello, my name is Corey Parks with HydroHelp911, your trusted solution for expert foundation repair services. At HydroHelp911, we understand the importance of a solid foundation. With years of experience and a team of professionals, we provide top-notch foundation repair services tailored to meet your specific needs. But why choose HydroHelp911 for your foundation repair needs? Let's explore how our commitment to excellence sets us apart and ensures your home's foundation receives the attention it deserves. Our priority is delivering exceptional results for every homeowner who seeks our expertise. We combine extensive knowledge, advanced techniques, and state-of-the-art equipment to restore your foundation's integrity. When you trust HydroHelp911, you can rest assured knowing that your home is in capable hands. Our team of highly skilled professionals is dedicated to providing efficient and reliable foundation repair services. We take pride in our track record of successful foundation repairs. Our satisfied customers have experienced a transformation in their homes, as well as helped restore the stability, eliminate cracks, and prevent further damage. HydroHelp911 utilizes cutting-edge technology and industry best practices to analyze and address foundation issues. Our thorough inspection process allows us to identify the root cause of the damage, ensuring the most effective and lasting solutions. We also understand that each foundation repair project is unique. That's why we provide personalized solutions tailored to your specific requirements, ensuring that your home's foundation is restored to its optimal condition. At HydroHelp911, we believe in delivering an exceptional service and timely results. Our efficient project management ensures that your foundation repair is completed within the agreed-upon time frame, minimizing disruption to your daily life. Our commitment to customer satisfaction extends beyond the completion of the project. We prioritize clear communication, transparency, and ongoing support, making your experience with HydroHelp911 a positive one from start to finish. Don't let foundation damage compromise the safety and value of your home. Contact us today for reliable and expert foundation repair services. Trust us to restore the stability of your home and the peace of mind that you deserve. Thanks.